got this camera for my birthday. I don't know if you guys saw what I got for my birthday video, but that should be coming out soon if it's not already out yet. Here's my new camera. So this is my friend Lily, and today we're gonna be going to Target because for my birthday she got me a $25 Target gift card. I love Target. But yeah, this is my new camera. I'm obsessed with it, and yeah, I'm so excited to start. And we're gonna go pretty soon. It's so blurry. I know, my face. So now we're gonna go. Also, this tripod that I'm using is this Manfrotto like mini tripod, and it's so much fun to use, and I can like set it up. I'm in love with this camera. If you're wondering what it is, it's the Canon G7X Mark II. Also, this is the first time I'm going to Target with braces on. Okay, food. So little update, now we're in the car and I have the gift card that Lily got me. We're going into Target. Yay! So here's art class. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, it has things on it. I don't like that. I just kind of like the
art
color.
Class. I thought a bunch of people were gonna be here.
Story time. I got this shirt, not this exact shirt, it's the same style, but it's a different color. And
I kind of like it.
It's against the school dress code because of this
thing
in the back, so I can't wear it at all.
I know, I saw that one time and I was like, oh, too bad I can't wear it to school. So, here's this overall dress. I love it, but it's $20. I can only spend $5 more.
This is $15. This is an extra large. I'm not gonna get that.
Medium.
Did they not have it in my size? Is this? Oh my gosh, I really want this.
I found this shirt and I really like it. It's a pink and yeah, it's $15. I can spend $10 more. I think I might get some pajamas or something. I actually really like this one. It's kind of nice, but I don't know. I might want to find like some two-piece thing.
Unicorn in a unicorn.
I found this onesie. I don't know how good it would look on me. It's probably pretty expensive. Oh, it's like a Simpson. Wait, Lily, there's more onesies over here. I love this. Like, look, there's more onesies. So yeah, I could get this, and then I could.
The one.
Yeah, I like the
That's
owl
too big,
one.
But
I like this unicorn one the best.
Matches your teeth.
Oh yeah, it does match my teeth. So I think I'm gonna get this. It's only $15. And I might get like something else that's not clothing. Oh my gosh, look at this unicorn. I don't know if she'll look like it, but.
my dog got this.
What?
Not squeezing. Oh, you have to squeeze it up here.
I actually really like this washi tape, but I don't know what I'd use it for.
It's actually hollow, yeah.
Ooh.
Hollow, purple, green, and jack-o'-lantern.
Getting this binder for school.
Hi. I miss you.
I can't have these. I can't have Skittles. All of my favorite candies. Starburst was like my favorite candy. Oh no, gummy worms either.
Mickey, the true original.
I think we're going to the Halloween aisle now. So now that we're finally in the Halloween costume area. Oh my gosh, Lego. Whoa, I can't even see myself in the viewfinder.
Oh my gosh, I look so realistic. Ow. Oh, there's a unicorn head. Need this.
I'm not putting that. Oh my gosh, Lily, you scared me too. So we're in the Halloween aisle now. Scary.
So here's what we got so far. A binder, a shirt, some headbands, my watermelon pillow, and those dog treats.
I really want to make some cupcakes with this. Apple cider frosting. But we're kind of in the Halloween like baking aisle, I guess. Baking, kind of like food aisle.
So we're checking out right now.
So for today's Starbucks run, so I got a serious strawberry frappuccino. It looks really cool.
I got a strawberry acai.
Refresher.
Yeah.
Recap of everything we got. First thing I got was this shirt, and yeah, I really like it. It's this art class one, and yeah, I think this was $15. But then we got it on sale. We got this binder, and then we have some dog treats for Charlotte.
So So, the first thing I got was this shirt from art class, and it says varsity on it. I actually wanted this last time I came to Target.
Wasn't it like $15?
Yeah, and then I got these headbands on clearance, and it literally has my name on it to like pull back my hair or something when I'm washing my face.
So now I'm gonna rate the Starbucks drink. I didn't get whipped cream with it because I don't like whipped cream. Out of 10, I'd probably rate it like a 10. I really like it.
And I've already had this, so I already know what it tastes like, but it's good. I'd rate it a 10 out of 10.
Nice job, Starbucks. Hey guys, so I'm back from Target now. It was super fun. I just dropped Lily off at her house. It was super fun to take along my new camera with me. Make sure to subscribe below if you guys aren't already. I post videos every single Sunday, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.